Hello student, today I am just going to teach the poem Animal part 3rd. In part 1 and 2nd I have explained the whole poem and I think you have understood the poem well. Today in part 3rd we are discussing about the question which has been asked in the textbook. Before going to discuss the question, I will give you a brief summary of this poem. Dear students, you know well that this poem has been written by Walt Whitman. Here, poet described the specific quality of animal living with human society. Poet finds that though society of human is very complicated, the people who live in human society mostly are false. That is why poet prefer to live and want to be as animal, because animal have specific qualities. They have honest, peace, self-satisfied, there is no greediness, they live their life how the nature kept him. But on the other hand, poet finds that humans are greedy, they have a lot of desire. To fulfill a desire, they have gone with wrong work. That is why poet like to live with animal, he did not like to live with the human society. The poet further says that the specific quality which the animals have, those qualities really the quality of our ancestor. In ancient time, our ancestors are not like today's humans. They are kind, they have peaceful mind, they are simple, truthful, there is no greatness among them. But now the time has changed, people lost those quality as time of passes. Now look the question here. The question is, notice the use of the word turn in the first line. I think I could turn and live with animal. What is the poet turning from? In the first paragraph, I have explained more about, and I hope you are able to find the answer from the poem. Now, the question number 2. Mention 3 things that human do and animal do not. I think many things has been told in the poem about humans and animals, and differences are also given, and from there you have to choose 3 things that human do and animal do not. As now question number 3, do humans kneel to others humans who lived thousands of years ago? Discuss this in the group. No, I think no, because I had told you in the poem that our ancestors were very rich, they have specific qualities, they are self-respected about others, greatness, so no need to kneel to others in the ancient time. So in this way you can able to write the answer of this question easily. Now question number 4, what are the tokens that the poet say he may have dropped long ago and which the animals have kept for him? I think here the word used token. Token means the specific quality of animal which the human also have in ancient time. But as time passes, human become greedy. He lost those specific qualities, and slowly he dropped all those qualities. But animals possess those qualities from long time. They preserve them today. In this way you can able to get the answer of this question. Okay, thanks.